Hey, let me show you how you can fix the issue when one of your earbud is not working on OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. So we can say that, for example, the right earbud is not working. And all you have to do is just to be sure that you input both earbuds inside the case, close this case, and charge it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now you'll have to open this case with both earbuds inside. And right here, next to the USB-C port on the right side, you can find this button. You will have to click and hold it. And now you have to wait around 10 to 15 seconds until this indicator switch from the white to the red. So it means that we will finish the reset. Keep holding until the red light disappears and turns into the white. And now we can release. So you can close this case, open it one more time, and simply try to connect your earbuds with your phone and tell me if it works. Thanks for watching.